Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, be sure to turn off the water to your dishwasher. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door spring in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a 5/8 open-ended wrench, 5/16 nut driver, Phillips screwdriver, and a pair of needle-nose pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door spring. The two door springs connected to the door hinges keep the door balanced, preventing it from falling down when it's opened. If the door opens without any resistance or even falls down, the door springs should be checked and replaced if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. To remove the dishwasher, we need to take out a couple of Phillips screws that holds it to the countertop. Put the towel in the plastic container under the shutter valve just in case of the water will leak down. And then using the 5/8 open-ended wrench, take off the water line. Then, using the 5/16 nut driver, loosen up the hose clamp and remove the drain hose from the air gap. Be careful, there is still some water inside the hose. Use a container or the towel. Alright, now we're going to pull out the dishwasher. I'm going to hold it here and slowly pull it out. Lift it up. Alright, so lift up the insulation. To remove the door cable, we're going to use the needle-nose pliers. I'm going to grab it right here and lift it up, stretching the spring. And I'm going to lift it off the door hinge. Then slowly let go. And then we're going to take it off the spring. Memorize in which hole the spring is mounted on. Then we can remove it. Simply slide it out. This is the old door spring next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. The new spring goes in onto the second hole from the bottom. Then I'm going to let it down and install the spring cable. I'm going to place this end on first. I'm going to wrap it around the roller here at the bottom of the roller. And I'm going to use the needle-nose pliers. Place them right here. Stretch the spring. Put it onto the door hinge. I'm going to place the insulation back down. And we can slide the dishwasher under the countertop. Now we're going to duck under the counter and pull out the drain line, water supply line, and the power cord. And we can continue installing the dishwasher. Let's manually thread on the water line onto the shutter valve. Then tighten using 5/8 open-ended wrench, and then we can take out the towel and the container. Connect the drain hose to the air gap and tighten the clamp with the 5/16 nut driver. And next we're going to secure the dishwasher to the countertop with a couple of Phillips screws. I'm using a Phillips screwdriver and I'm going to tie it up so it wouldn't go anywhere. And now we can close the door. Turn the water on, plug the dishwasher in, and run it to check for leaks. Hopefully there is none. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.